Hi, how you doing? So today, and as you can see here, we're going to make some pork. I'm using a pork loin. We're going to flour it, fry it, and make a beautiful, simple sauce with garlic, butter, rosemary. Welcome back once again to How to Cook Great. Okay, so what I've got here is some pork loin, which I've cut into nice, decent sized strips. You know, they're fairly thick, not too thin at all. Very simply, we're going to get some salt and pepper on these guys, and then we're going to flour them and we're going to fry them off. I find that the pork loin works best. It's a really nice cut. Just going to flip these over, do the other sides, then we're ready for the cooker. Very, very simple. So I've got some regular wheat flour there, and all we're going to do is dust these guys off. Just make sure you get all the sides in. Little shake, and that's it. I'm going to repeat that process. Then we're going to get some olive oil in a pan and get this going. So I've got my pan here with some olive oil in, medium heat. We're going to just grab our floured pork and we're going to go for it. In they go. They're going to be about 3 to 4 minutes aside, depending on how thick you've cut your meat. I'll be turning them a few times. Very, very easy. Okay, off goes the heat. Let's take these out, set them aside for the moment. And what we're going to be doing is going back into this pan, using this same oil there. We've got some lovely flavours in it. So yeah, that's it. Don't throw that, we'll be back in a moment. Okay, so we've got some nice flavours in there. We're going to drop in a tablespoon of chopped garlic, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped celery. I've got some fresh rosemary there, and a few green olives. Use black olives, of course, if you want. I've turned the heat up a little bit, so we're above medium now. Just 3 minutes. Keep it moving. We'll be back. Wonderful stuff. Now what we're going to do is we're going to get our pork back in there. And we're going to add a little bit of chicken stock. Well, I'm using chicken stock. You could use something else if you want. You don't need a crazy amount here. And one more thing, we're now going to add a tablespoon of butter. We're going to work this around for about 4 to 5 minutes, and this beautiful dish is done. And there you go, job done. Really, really delicious that is. Beautiful with some spaghetti or something like that. Hope you enjoy that. We'll see you very soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for checking out our videos. We're currently steaming ahead to actually reaching nearly 100 million views, which is fantastic. I think we've got over 3,000 uploads now. We've really been going at it since I think 2012 we started back in the day. But yeah, thanks so much for watching our videos. Please do give us a thumbs up. It really does help us out a great deal, and also leave a comment. We do like to hear from you. Now, what we've been up to, so lots going on. We're now based in Bahrain. We're here for a little while in the kitchen here, which is fantastic. We're having a great time. Kids are really enjoying themselves. We are cooking away at a rapid rate, trying to do this new series called Eating with Locals, where I want to go and eat with different, people from different nationalities and eat their food and have a little chat, see if I can learn something. Hoping this COVID thing's gonna shift. Don't know when it's going to happen, but maybe soon. If it does, I'm going to get back on the road. I want to get back on an aeroplane, as I'm sure many of you do as well, and get out there and sort of, see the sights, taste some food and meet some people. It would be fantastic if you would buy us a cup of coffee. Help us along with the channel. We're not funded in any way. We're self-funded. We don't endorse any products. There's a link down below. If you would like to buy me a coffee, a couple of dollars or whatever you want, just follow the link. That would be fantastic. That's about it. We're doing great, and we hope that you're doing fine, and we'll see you soon. Lots of love.